18, 19, 20. Ready or not, here I come. Are you behind the costumes? No. Okay. Are you behind the bookshelf?
Boom!
Ah! You scared me.
Sorry. Hey, do you want to play Chicken Little?
Sure, as long as I get to be the fox.
All right.
Here you go, little guy. I'll get an acorn.
Cluck, cluck, cluck. Just walking around the farm.
I'm a big, tall tree. Walk under me.
Cluck, cluck, cluck. Just hanging out.
My acorn.
Ah! My head! Wait, what hit my head?
I don't know.
It must have been the sky? Help! Help! The sky is falling! Help!
You make a great chicken. Now I'm gonna be the hen.
Oh, no, 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 no. Help! Help! The sky is falling!
Chicken Little, what's wrong?
Henny Penny, Henny Penny. A piece of the sky fell and hit me on the head. And now the rest of the sky will probably fall and smush us all.
The sky is falling? The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Help, help!
Now I'll be the duck.
The sky is
Henny
falling.
Penny, what in the world is going on?
Oh, Ducky Lucky, the sky is falling and it's gonna smush us all.
Oh no, the sky is falling? The sky is falling! Help! Help!
Help, help!
The sky's falling!
Now I'll be the fox.
No. Help! The sky is falling!
Oh, Ducky Lucky, what's the problem?
Oh, Foxy Loxy, the sky is falling and it's gonna crush us all.
And you're sure why?
Well, Henny Penny told me and Chicken Little told her.
And you're telling me, so it must be true. Come, we better take cover. Here, quick, come to my den.
Thank you, Foxy. Yes, this feels much safer.
And what about a little duck dinner?
A what? Ah! Ducky Lucky ran away from the tricky fox.
And Chicken Little, Henny Penny, and Ducky Lucky learned that whenever they're scared, just to take a deep breath and be calm instead. And they all lived happily ever after.
Okay, my turn to count.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hey Mother Goose Club, I'm Jesse. Today I'm here with the Ruckus, my boys, Diego, Zion, and Kingston. Today I'm pretending to be a big bad wolf, and they're pretending to be 3 little pigs. So guess what story we're doing? That's right, the 3 little pigs. So let's get to it. Little piggy, let me in. I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house out. Come here, piggy. Little piggies, let me in.
Not my hair, my chinny chin chin.
Or I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house out. Little pig, let me in.
Not my hair, my chinny chin chin.
Or I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow it. Thanks for watching. We hope you guys had a ton of fun with us today.
See you next time. Bye.
There's your diamond necklace.
Cool. What about sunglasses?
You look super fancy.
Thanks. What do you want to dress up as?
Ooh, I know. Want to play Country Mouse and City Mouse?
Cool. Yeah.
Here's my nice green meadow. Nothing but peace and quiet around here. I'm bored.
And here's my big, fancy city house. I need a vacation from all this excitement. I'll go visit my cousin in the country. This suitcase is perfect. I'm walking to the country. Walk, walk, walk. I'm walking to the country. Walk, walk, walk. You live far.
Cousin, is that you?
All the way from the big city.
It's so good to see you.
So, what do you do in the country?
Well, we could play in the grass.
Okay.
We could watch the stars.
Okay.
We could look for food. Sometimes I find a nut or berries.
Or we could eat what I brought.
I've never seen so much food.
This is nothing. The giants that live in my house leave stuff like this all over the place.
Whoa. So, what do you do in the city?
Well, I guess you could say we count the stars too. But in the city, there are big, shiny, flashy lights in every color of the rainbow.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's mostly going from one adventure to the other.
The city sounds amazing. I wish I could visit you.
Okay, let's go.
We're walking to the city.
Walk, walk, walk. We're walking to the city. Walk, walk, walk. Welcome to my mansion. Looks like the giants left quite the feast.
This is awesome.
We need a city cat.
Oh, right.
I got it. You eat.
Okay. Tasty.
Meow. Meow.
Help!
Meow.
Help!
Meow. 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 Cousin, you can come out now. It's safe.
Safe? Are you sure?
That's just the cat. He chases us and we run away. It's all part of the adventure.
That's enough adventure for me, thanks. I miss the nice, quiet country.
Oh, well, come visit anytime.
You too. And so, from then on, the country mouse was grateful for his peaceful life in the country.
And the city mouse was grateful for a crazy life in the city. And
they both lived happily ever after.
So, what should we dress up as next?
I think I saw some pig ears back there.
Cool.
Ready, set, go! I got this.
All right, and that goes there, and this goes there. Done! I win. I'm so fast, I'm like lightning. Yes!
Slow down. You know what game I think we should play next?
What? The tortoise and the hare? Look, I'm sorry for bragging.
Look at me, I'm so fast. Have you ever seen anyone faster than me? I don't think so.
Hi, hare.
Tortoise? Is that you? You're so slow, I thought you were a rock.
How do you think your friends feel when you say they're slow? You always brag about how fast you are. I challenge you to a race.
Are you joking?
We'll race around the field to the finish line. We need a finish line.
On it.
just plant these in the field.
Now we're ready for the race. Come on, Tortoise.
On your mark.
Get set, go! Wow, I'm fast. Hey, Tortoise, did you give up yet?
Slow and steady wins the race.
You're so slow. I could eat all of this food and still win. Looks quite delicious.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Hey, Tortoise, you're so slow. I could take a nap and still win. All that food made me quite sleepy. Just one quick nap.
I told you slow and steady would win the race.
What? Oh, no! What? That's not fair.
You might be fast, but you have a lot to learn about being a good friend. Good race.
You know, you never gave up. Good race, my friend.
And from then on, the tortoise and the hare
Became very best friends. The end.
We should have a contest to see who can jump the highest.
How about we just jump together?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Roar! I'm a big scary troll.
No, not scary enough.
Maybe he needs crazy hair.
And big ears. Trolls definitely have big ears.
Ready? Roar! I'm a big scary troll.
I guess you're a little scary.
I think he's perfect.
Let's play.
Okay, so where did 3 billy goats gruff?
Guys, don't we need a bridge?
Oh, right. Will this work?
Perfect.
Awesome! But you'd better be ready.
Goats, we've eaten all the grass in our meadow.
And I'm so hungry.
There's lots of grass over there.
Oops, grass.
Yeah, but all that grass is across the river.
And you know who guards the bridge? A big scary troll.
Roar! I'm a big scary troll. I sure hope somebody crosses my bridge. I'm starving.
Come closer, goats. I've got the plan.
Yes.
Amazing.
Are you sure this will work?
Just stick to the plan.
Be careful.
Clip, clop, clip, clop, clip, clop.
Roar! Who dare clip-clops on my bridge?
It's just me, the little billy goat.
Ha! You foolish goat. Now I shall gobble you up.
I'm too small to make a good dinner for a big girl like you. But don't worry, my sister will be coming soon. And she's bigger than me.
Fine, little goat. I shall eat your big sister.
Clip, clop, clip, clop, clip, clop. Safe!
Okay, my turn.
You'll do great.
Clip, clop, clip, clop, clip.
Roar! Who dare clip-clops on my bridge?
Me? I'm the medium-sized Billy Goat Gruff.
You are much bigger than your little sister. Now I shall gobble you up.
Wait. If you want a really good meal, my big brother is coming and he's even bigger than me. He's huge and delicious like pepperoni pizza. He'll be here any minute.
Fine, I shall eat your big brother.
Clip, clop, safe.
Okay, here I go. Clip, clop, clip, clop.
Roar! Who dare clip-clops on my bridge?
Hi, I'm the big billy goat gruff.
You are the perfect dinner for a big scary troll like me.
Well, I'm big enough to know you shouldn't go around gobbling people up.
Huh?
And I'm also big enough to do this.
Yay! And from then on, the 3 Billy Goats Gruff
Ate all the yummy green grass they could have.
And that big scary troll?
Never bothered them again.
The end.
Hey guys, want to play again?
Sure.
Yeah, can I be the troll?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be the big Billy Goat Gruff.
I want to be a billy goat too.
Okay. Mother Goose Club Playhouse.